Hey everybody. So, it's raining today, just like they said it would. But honestly, it wasn't too hard. Probably could have done some work if I had felt like it. Anyways, just getting a bike share bike. And yeah, I'm riding over to Amanda's. Amanda's doing some painting or something. The line's gonna go to an addition somewhere. So they asked if I could watch River for like an hour. And I'm like, yeah, alright. Why not? So, yeah. First 15 minutes, pretty easy. He just showed me some books. The next 15 minutes, also not bad. Played with toys on Holden's bed. And then last 5 minutes, looked outside this window. And then it got hard and he started crying and pointing at the door. So I put him in there like baby sling thing and he seemed to calm down. And then he fell asleep for like 45 minutes. So, yeah, that was alright. And yeah, he was happy to see Lion. We looked at this book again. And yeah, now I'm heading home. So yeah, all in all, pretty good time. And yeah. Wednesday, so it's also bike repair class day. You know, last week was canceled because of like, I don't know, parent-teacher meetings or whatever. And like every class, start off cleaning our bikes. There's only 3 of us today. And then the other 2 people left early. So we completely overhauled my brakes. And we even did the front brakes, which didn't really need it, but they kind of needed it. So that was nice. My brakes are all like strong. And yeah, that was cool. Although I had ordered new brake pads from Amazon, but they didn't come in, even though they're supposed to come in on Monday. I don't know. Oh well, you know.